Hello everyone, welcome back. I have another free preset to give away. It'll be in the description below. This one is a ellipse mask that you can use on the edit page. It tracks objects and you can make a mask out of a circle or an oval shape or anything like that. When you download it, go to Effects. You want SDS Ellipse Mask Tracker and drop it on. And by default, the mask is turned on. For tracking purposes, you want to have it off. And the reason why you're seeing a checker underlay here, select this button. This is new. Go to Viewer Background, and you have 4 options: checkerboard, black, gray, or red. If you guys are having any issues with these working correctly, would you please let me know? I'm getting ready to track, so I'm going to shut the mask off. That will interfere with the tracking. Then you want to go over here to this little arrow, turn on Fusion Overlay. And there is a little toggle button here. I'm going to track every frame because of the movement. And I always hit track both ways. Half the time I'm in the middle. Okay, it's done tracking. We can turn the overlay off now. Turn the mask on. Then right click on Tracker. Connect to Tracker Path 1. Position. And it'll snap right to that spot. Now there is an offset, X and Y, because it doesn't always line up perfectly. You have to sometimes adjust it. And you can do that here. I didn't lock the width and height. That way you could do something oval. If you move it real fast like that, it will do that. Okay, now if you want to save this to reuse, I'll show you how to do that now. You want to save it as a transparent video, or the mask will be black. So go to Format, QuickTime, and Kodak, GoPro Cineform. Change the type from 10-bit to 16, and an export alpha box will pop up, and select it. And then render it. And when you find it, it's going to look like a audio file. It won't have the picture of the video because it's an MOV and it's transparent. So when you look for it, look for that. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.